Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zengo, crypto and Bitcoin wallet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a financial endorsement. Zengo is a cryptocurrency wallet app designed to simplify how users store, manage, and secure digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. Instead of traditional seed phrase backups, Zengo uses biometric authentication and multi-party computation for private key security, aiming to eliminate the risk of lost or stolen seed phrases. The app is available on both iOS and Android, making it accessible to a broad range of users, from beginners to experienced crypto holders. The app's main feature is its keyless security model. Users log in with biometric verification, face or fingerprint, and the private key is split and secured on separate servers, meaning no single point of failure. Zengo also supports buying, selling, trading, and transferring crypto directly within the app, and offers features such as wallet recovery, asset portfolio tracking, and push notification alerts for price changes. Transactions can be monitored in real time, and the app provides a user-friendly interface for both wallets and crypto exchanges. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how simple and secure Zengo is compared to traditional wallets, especially its biometric access and elimination of seed phrase risk. The integrated exchange and asset management tools make it convenient for people who hold multiple coins or trade occasionally. For newcomers to crypto, the intuitive design lowers the barrier to entry and simplifies onboarding. However, there are some drawbacks. Because key management relies on Zengo's servers and technology stack, users must trust the provider's security measures and uptime. Some advanced crypto users find the wallet less flexible than self-custody solutions, and features like staking or more complex token support may be limited or depend on region. Also, like any crypto service, value fluctuations and regulatory uncertainties remain inherent risks. In summary, the Zengo app may be worth using if you want an easy-to-use, biometric-accessible crypto wallet with built-in exchange and management tools, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency or prioritize convenience over full self-custody control. However, if you prefer maximum control over your private keys or require advanced crypto features, you might want to consider more traditional wallets. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.